I'm super excited to make this video right now because I just got my dream mic. This has been my biggest headache since I started content creation. Like, I got my lighting, I got camera, I got every other thing, but I just couldn't get the audio right. These were the um mics that I bought before. This particular one here, I think this was the one that lasts the longest. This recently got spoiled about 2 days ago. Let me just pin this to my clothes so that I would be able to flexibly make this video for you guys. So, because honestly, I won't lie, I am super excited to make this video. And this was the first one that got spoiled. I think this only lasted for about 3 months or so. And what got it spoiled was that I was trying to set it up on the tripod and it fell. After it fell, it just broke off. Like, the receiver broke off from the phone. I was actually happy that my phone didn't get spoiled. And this was the one that recently got spoiled. And these two mics have they've really given me headache. Honestly, I won't lie. They're really giving me headache. Because if you also go through my videos right now, you would see that some of my videos, the audio is clearer, some the audio is bad, and I've been trying to tweak out how to solve this. And I saw a video on YouTube of someone that explained a new mic that is presently on Jumia, because I got these two on Jumia. I think I got one on Jumia and I got one at Ikeja. And the reason I'm getting this type of mic is I am not really a big fan of the one that's used to point out, like the one that have stand and all like that. I'm not really a big fan of it. I feel it will just occupy my space, probably because I don't have a big space. So I just felt it will occupy my space. Then I saw the lady's video online and I was like, oh, let me get this mic. Let me try it out and see if, although I've gotten the one that would, like the one Kegan and the rest are presently using right now. I've gotten something like that, but I still felt like I want a mic like this. So I decided to get this, which is in the video the lady made. And this particular mic, like, this is the first time of me using it, and I feel it's a game changer already, honestly speaking. Because before, I couldn't on my fan and make videos. I could only make use of my AC, then turn off my fan. But I stood in front of a fan while I was testing this particular mic, and it was like the fan was not even there. It was really, really amazing because the noise cancellation got me wow. So I would say for people that are trying or having same issue as I am, people that are having issue concerning audio and don't really want to get the bigger one, or maybe they don't have enough funds to get the bigger one. I got this for about 25,000 plus, and on Konga I saw it for about 23,000. But after I tried placing an order on Konga, I noticed that it's around, like, it's approximately around the same price I would get it on Jumia. And one thing that I love about buying stuff on Jumia is the fact that once I buy something and I'm not satisfied with what or the quality of the product I've gotten, I can easily just place a refund or return. Then they come to my doorstep again. Like, that's the most cool part of their delivery. They come to my doorstep again and they pick it up, then take it to their own warehouse or something. They just get it done and get my money refunded. But on Konga, it's not like that. On Konga, if you have to return something, an item or so, you have to go down to their office. Like if you want to make payments, you can pay online and do everything. But if you want to, and they'll ship it down to your doorstep as well. But if you want to return it, you have to go down to their office, and that is a no go area for me. Like I bought things there several times, and each time I want to return something, I have to go to their office. And the last time I went to their office, the customer care that attended to me, or the reception or customer service or something that attended to me was like, that's Jumia, this is Konga. I was like, okay, no problem. You've just told me that you guys can't do this, and probably I should just stick to the one that I make use of. So that was why I got this on Jumia instead of Konga. Konga was actually a little bit cheaper. So this, I've stopped using those two right now, probably because it got spoiled, but I wasn't even comfortable making use of them anymore because my videos were like off. Even for me, listening to how I sound in those videos, it was just off for me. Like I wouldn't watch my video. That's how I will put it. I might just skip it and be like, oh, what type of audio is this? This has really made me feel very reluctant making videos online. So I'm so happy that I got this. And after getting this, I placed another order. Like I can use 4 mic at a go. And okay, let me just show you how the case, it also has a case, and that is also very lovely. It has a case, and I really love the mic. I really love it. Unlike the other two that I was making use of, I have to bring out the mic outside like this, and it can easily get lost, unlike it being inside this case. So I really love the design. Everything looks good. And apart from that, I can just decide to switch between both mics, or even if I forget to charge the mic, I can just put it in the case, and because I've charged the case, it will charge the mic. So it's a very lovely product. I actually like it. So I got another one for myself again in case this gets spoiled, so that I can make use of that one. But I got that one from AliExpress. I just wanted to see how an upgraded version of this. I think this is J11, but on AliExpress I got J13 just to like see how the newer product or the newer version of this particular mic looks like. So I think and I hope this video is very useful for someone that has experienced or someone that is interested in making videos but have been finding it difficult to do because of the type of mic they make use of. And if you want a link to this particular mic, just drop mic in the comment section if you're on Instagram, and I would send you the link to get this particular mic. And if you're watching this from YouTube, just scroll down to my description. You would see the link to this particular mic, and you can as well join my Telegram or WhatsApp channel from there. If you are also watching this from TikTok, you can just click on the link on my bio, because TikTok doesn't really allow links in the description of videos. So you can go to my bio, then you'd have to click on the link there to either join my WhatsApp channel or my Telegram channel, or probably just go to the link or the website to get this particular product. So thank you for watching. See you when I see you in the next video.